So today I wanted to talk a little bit about renovations that you should start with if you're looking to sell your house. So the top two rooms that matter the most to people are the kitchen and the bathroom. So if you want to start with a renovation, you should look at those two rooms first. And sometimes just updating the countertop makes sense. Sometimes painting the cabinets makes more sense than renovating the whole thing. Sometimes just changing the hardware. The other thing that you want to look at is paint. Paint is the cheapest and the best way to make everything look fresh. So consider the paint colors that you have, make sure everything's nice and neutral. Make sure that if you painted it yourself, you didn't touch the ceiling and there's that little bit of color that you want to touch up. And the third thing is to make sure that everything's in good repair. So sometimes you have a door handle that's, maybe not quite tightened, or you have a faucet that's leaking. Those kinds of repairs you want to take care of so that buyers know that it's been well maintained over the years and that you have pride of ownership with your home.